Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera and we can pick from the standard slow motion and super slow motion. For now let me stay on the standard slow motion, let's pick it to get access to it, and here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center, so let me start to show you how it works. And now let's start by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left to this one. When we tap on it, we can open the gallery, and this is our slow motion video. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.